In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form with Jotform in just 5 minutes. Jotform is an amazing online tool that allows you to quickly and effortlessly create forms that suit your needs, whether it's for signing up for events, collecting feedback, or processing orders. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to jotform.com. You'll need to sign in using your credentials if you already have an account. If not, you'll need to sign up, which is straightforward by following their guided process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is your workspace for creating all sorts of forms. Now look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You will see a button labeled Create, which is your gateway to starting a new form. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt a drop-down menu with a few options. Here, you want to select Form, which will allow you to build your form from scratch or use a template. After choosing Form, you'll be given the option to Start from Scratch. This is where you really begin to customize your form to your liking. Clicking on this will present you with two different form styles to choose from, the classic form and the card form. The classic form gives you a traditional long page style, whereas the card form offers a modern one question per page layout. Depending on your needs, select the one that best suits your purpose. Now comes the fun part, editing and customizing your form. Jotform provides a user-friendly editor where you can drag and drop various fields like text boxes, drop-downs, and more onto your form. You can also adjust the layout, add your own logo, change colors, and modify any setting to personalize the form according to your specific requirements. This flexibility is one of the reasons Jotform is a top choice for many users. Once you're satisfied with how your form looks and functions, it's time to share it with others. Jotform makes sharing easy and convenient. You can either send your form directly via email, or you can copy the shareable link and distribute it through your preferred channels. There's also an option to embed the form directly into your website for seamless integration, and there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've created a fully functional form using Jotform. It's an efficient tool that saves you a lot of time and hassle. Feel free to explore more features and see how Jotform can further simplify your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy form building.